Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this LG TV. I was in a voice call with this video, so you may hear parts of that, just for the funny. First, we're going to start with unboxing it with the world's best scissors. The world's best scissors.
Guys, I got box marks on my box on the computer.
LGO. I just like saying that. Alright, that's one side, and the other side, I guess. Oh wait, I already opened it. To take it out, I decided to just tip it upside down since it was the easiest method. This might have been risky, but it worked in my case. Careful here. Then I could remove the TV from the styrofoam. I felt like I was going to break it, but obviously I didn't break it, as you can see. But before I unbox the TV, let's see what else goes with it. Nice foam, whatever it is. Let's make a mess. We've got the very nice power cord. Alright. Yes. That's how I open stuff. The nice sticker. Thing number one. And thing number two. The LG remote.
Yeah, you need to show it to your sister.
Yes, she's gonna be so happy. She's home right now, actually. It's got Netflix. I love pills.
Pills? Wait, no, what?
These batteries, I don't even know what they are.
You put them in your LG remote. That's
Yeah,
what that's for.
you put them in the TV, right? Not the remote. Okay, no. Yes. LG. Life's good.
No, VMware site's in maintenance.
Why?
Let me check VMware site.
VMware's dead.
No,
Smells new. 503 service unavailable. Can't really read that.
what? On what?
I think it's VMware. A-Sense, I mean.
Ubuntu. Right.
Wait, everything's down? Check it out. So figure out how to put it in. Screw number one. This is not the best screwdriver to use. So I showed my sister the Magic Remote and it paired to her TV. I'm going to do this off camera, it's really difficult. Okay, that went in, I think. I don't know. We might have a TV collapse on us. That'd be very funny. Magic Remote. It's literally called Magic Remote.
Magic remote.
Magic's remote.
Sky Q Plus remote.
She said if I have channel 4 on here, she's going to be jealous. There it is. Okay, time to attach the other stand. LGO. I see the speakers in the bottom.
Look at the chat, look at the chat, look at the chat.
Wait. I'm going to see the chat. Okay, let's see if we can get remote. Yes. And I didn't crack the screen. WebOS. I'm gonna start making a video on my phone. WebOS. What? Press the OK button. Okay. Talk. Windows 11. LG should sue. Oh, I have to install. I have to make an LG account. I'm gonna make an LG account. Right, let's just make it with the web. 'Cause I'm not. There is. I don't know how it works on here.
Actually, LG Lifescape.
No, I knew someone would say that. Yes, we got YouTube. Guys, we got YouTube. I gotta sign in. LGO. Welcome. They put a dedicated piece of plastic for the LG logo. That is dedicated by LG.